special thing is that with Daimler Buses together we can answer the needs of our customers in the local transport sector. Hi, my name is Martin Jüngel. I'm Managing Director and CFO of H2 Mobility. Public refueling for our customers means that the customer does not have to take the investment costs, but he's getting the full service package of hydrogen refueling, maintenance, operation and a 24/7 hotline. H2 Mobility is providing reliable hydrogen supply to the Daimler e-Citaro fuel cell buses. This can be on depot stations but also on publicly accessible stations. Furthermore, we are also bringing an added value to the energy transition of the public transport sector. H2 Mobility already has 50 refueling points in Germany for buses, and with this cooperation with Daimler Buses there will be many more.